Everyone, welcome back to my gardening masterclass. Today we are all gathered here for making the chrysanthemum cuttings. Now you can see up here, these are my chrysanthemum cuttings. I have brought 20 mother plants out here. 20 mother plants are there. All are of different cultivars, including there are some UK varieties out here. There are Australian varieties, Japanese varieties are there, and Chinese varieties, as well as there are some Indian native varieties also. So there are almost how many plants here? 20 plants. How many plants here? 20. Now these are directly taken from the mother plants. I could not bring pot of mother plants, so I have brought branches of the chrysanthemums. Okay, these are the chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemum are made from two words, chrysanthe and mum. Chrysant means golden and mum means flowers. The golden flowers. Chrysanthemum means the golden flowers. So we all know that people of Darjeeling loves chrysanthemum. It is also known as Godavari in Nepali. So we all know that all the people love this flower very much, and it blooms during the month of Diwali. So what we're gonna do is that today, as a part of gardening masterclass in the school, we will learn how to propagate these plants or these flowers. Now I have altogether got 20 plants in here. Actually it was for class 5, but today we are doing with class 6. Now I want all of you to hold one plant each. Come here. One, another one. Okay, take this. Now see, I have given you one twig of the chrysanthemum plant. Okay, altogether there are 20 plants. Now what we're gonna do is that first we will take the cuttings. Okay, we'll take the cuttings. What did I told in the theoretical class, inside the class? What I told, what we'll do, the length of the cutting must be around 3 to 4 inch. How many? 3 to 4 inch. Now we cannot measure each and every cutting, so we will just try to make 4-inch cuttings by our own standard. Okay, now I have blade out here, very sharp blade. Okay, now I have got blade out here. I brought it from here. So here what we will do is that this is the shoot, this is the new twig, new shoot. It will grow into a big plant. Here is one leaf and another one leaf is there. So I will take the 4-inch cuttings. Around 4 inch means approximately my 4 fingers. This is the length of the cutting. So I will cut it here. One. And how should I cut? Should I cut it straight or should I cut slanting? Slanting. Very good. Making the 45-degree, around 45-degree angle. Okay, around 45-degree angle. So what we will cut, we'll cut slanting, in a slanting way. So this is a slanting way. In this slanting way we'll cut. We'll not cut it straight, we'll cut it in a slanting way. Why? In order to give large surface area to produce roots. Okay, when we cut in a straight way, it will get smaller area to produce root. But when I cut in a slanting way, it will get large surface area to produce root. So I will cut it in a slanting way. Now, I don't need this leaf. This is the extra leaf. So I will cut this leaf also. Okay, I have cutted this leaf. Now I have 2 leaves and a twig. 2 leaves and a twig. This will be enough for me to make the cuttings. So I want you to come here and show how we do it. Come. And then, okay. Now, okay. Around 4 inch. Okay. When you'll cut, yes. Take that. Yes. Just. Okay. No. Just below this. Yes. Okay. Slowly. Let me see. Have we cut it in slanting way? No. Okay. Should be in a very slanting. Okay, at least 40 or almost 45 degree. Okay, like this. You hold this. Now I want you to come, Sona.
Learn this. It's very helpful. Okay. Now. Okay. Where you cut from here, from upper part. You just make it 4 fingers. Yes. Where is the mark? Where's the mark? Yes. So you cut it just below that. Yes. Here. Yes. Cut it. Okay. Slanting. Very good. Okay. So have you understood, students?
Have you understood? Yes. So this is the way we will cut this. Okay. Now what we will do next is that I have brought some root hormone out here in the paper. I have brought some root hormone. Now what is root hormone? The hormone. We all know, every one of us work on our hormones. Okay. Like for example, when we fear, we release the emergency hormone, adrenaline. Okay. Similarly, when the plant needs to grow, it needs gibberellin, that is a hormone. Gibberellin helps the plant to grow root as well as shoot as well as root. So this is a powder. Okay, this is a rooting hormone or a powder. In this hormone, there will be gibberellin, which will help the plant to grow the root. Now what we will do, we will dip this cutted part. Here we have cutted it, so we will dip this part and see. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So we will do that. We will dip that part so that it can take the root hormone. Okay, it can absorb the root hormone. You also do that same thing. Okay, so this will absorb the root hormone. Am I clear? Am I clear? Next, what we'll do is that we have to now make the medium, cutting medium. Okay, cutting medium, where we will put the cuttings and it will produce the root. Okay, so for that we will take one pot. This is 8-inch pot. Here the 20 cuttings will fit easily. Okay, so here is 8-inch pot. Here there should be draining facility, because when you put water, that water should come out from this hole. Okay, so it must be completely draining facility. It must have good draining facility so that the extra water does not remain here. It should come out from this place. So here there are some holes in order to in order to drain the extra water. Now here I will keep the pot. Now next thing is that we need to make the media, or we need to keep the soil. Okay, we need to make the soil. Now here I have brought few little amount of sand. Okay, here is a sand. Okay, and here is some amount of cow dung manure. So I want all of you to get your hand dirty. Okay, and mix this. Here everyone. Okay, so let me open this. Here is the soil. Okay, so here is the soil. Okay, this is a cow dung manure mixed with soil, and here is a sand. So we will mix this up to make the soil media. Okay, so I will put on this. Please mix up. And while doing so, please take out the big stones also. Okay, if there is any pebble, please pick it up. Take it out. Okay. Okay, more of sand and less of cow dung manure. Okay, so the sand will help in easy drainage of excess water, and the cow dung manure will give the nutrients once the plant starts rooting, so the health of the plant does not deteriorate. That is why we are adding some cow dung manure as well as the sand. Sand will help the water to pass easily, the extra water to pass easily. Now it's done. Now put it inside this. Put it inside this. Okay, fine. Very good. Side, not like this. You have to press it like this. Then only it will be tight. Yes, fine. Fine. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up. Try to put every piece of it. Yes, fine. Very fine. Fine. Okay. So one of you go and bring water. One of you go and bring water. Okay. Okay. Done. Bring it here. Okay. So here we have prepared the media. So what did I told? What we have used in here? Sand and cow dung manure. Well decomposed cow dung manure. Now what will sand do? It will help to drain the excess water. When we put water, what happens sometimes, the water is more than the actual plant needs. So the sand will help the plant, help the water to drain easily, the extra water to drain easily. While once this plant starts rooting, it requires nutrient. So for that nutrient medium, we are using some cow dung manure. Okay. Now let us put in this one.
So while doing cuttings, you need to be very sure that it is not so sunny day. Because if you keep it in sunny day, all the plants will droop out, and as a result, it will take more time to prepare the root. So first, make the medium enough moist.
Before putting the cuttings, make the medium moist. See how much the water can soak. Okay, now that's all. Okay, now another important thing is that I am using this old. This is not required. So what we can do is that we have prepared a media. We can directly put like this, isn't it? But we should not do that. Why? Because this is a very fragile surface. It has a very fragile epidermal layer. The outer layer is known as epidermal layer. It is a very fragile layer. Now if this epidermal layer gets damaged, because we have put sand over here, that means it has got minute small stones also there. So when we put it, it can damage the outer epidermal layer of the plant. So which as a result, it will not produce the root. Epidermal layer are the one which can produce the root. So it will not produce the root if we damage the epidermal layer. Hence, while putting the cuttings, we must take care that we need to put something to make the hole. Like for example, we don't have anything out here. So I will use this pen. Okay. So I will use this pen. I will make hole around ½ inch. Now what I'll do, I will put this over here. Okay. Gently. And after that putting that, I will press so that the plant does not move here and there. The bottom of the plant does not move here and there while putting the water. It remains fixed. Okay. Ultimately, after 16 to 17 days, it will produce the root. Okay. So, where's this cutting? Whose cutting was this? Where is that guy? Yeah, Sonam, come here. Put this. Okay. Now put it. Put it there. Yes, gently press from all the sides. Yes. Press. Don't worry. Okay. Another one also there. Yes. Okay. Put it. Yes, press from all the sides. Very nice. So have you understood how to take cuttings? Now every alternative we have to water this plant. We have to water this pot. Okay. Only then after 16 or 17 days it will produce root. And after 21 days it will be ready for the plantation. Okay. So I have many plants out here. You take this one. Okay. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you keep the cuttings. Now see, making chrysanthemum bloom is very hard because it requires 6 to 7 months of various vigorous caring. Okay, it requires lot of caring. You need to water them regularly, you need to report them, you need to look after the media, whether the plants is eaten by of the insects or not, whether it is getting diseases or not. If it is getting diseases, you have to spray some fungicide, it may be insecticide or it may be pesticide. So it requires lot of patience, lot of attention. So every day we have to come and look for the plants, whether the media is this moist media is dry or not. If it is dry, we need to put the water. Okay, until 17 days we will keep it inside this pot, and after 17 to 21 days we will see whether it has root or not. Ultimately within 17 days it will produce root, and after it produces root we have to seed this plant into a new 3-inch pot. Okay, for that we have to make we will do another class for that. Okay, understood? Everyone understood that?
Yes, sir.
So whatever you have understood in this class, you will write on your own words on your gardening copy. Am I clear? Whatever you have understood on your own language, okay, simple English language, you will write in your copies so that you never forget it. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay. So
Sir.
today that was for the gardening classes. Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Have you learned something new today?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Very nice. Thank you everyone.